Have you ever wondered how plants make their food? It's not as if they can stroll down to the local supermarket, is it? Well, they've got their own fascinating process known as photosynthesis, which is as intriguing as it sounds. Photosynthesis, a word that hails from Greek roots, literally means putting together with light. This process, which is the very reason for our existence, is how plants, algae, and some bacteria transform sunlight into life. The magic begins when sunlight hits the plant. The green pigment in plants, called chlorophyll, absorbs the sunlight, particularly focusing on the blue and red light, and uses it as a form of energy. This is the first step in the photosynthesis process, aptly known as the light-dependent reaction. This absorbed light energy is then used to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen is released into the atmosphere, a process we're all profoundly grateful for. The hydrogen, however, has a different fate. The second part of the photosynthesis process, known as the light-independent reaction, or the Calvin cycle, takes place. Here's where carbon dioxide comes into play. The carbon dioxide that plants absorb from the environment gets combined with the hydrogen from the previous process. This combination results in the formation of glucose, which is essentially sugar. This sugar, or glucose, is the food that plants need to grow. It's like their own homemade meal, cooked with the help of sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. But the process doesn't end here. The glucose is stored in various forms in different parts of the plant, ready to be used when required. Some of it is used immediately for growth and development, while the rest is stored in the form of starch, ready to be used when the sun isn't shining. To sum it all up, photosynthesis is a process where sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide come together in a beautiful symphony to create glucose, the food for plants. The oxygen that's released is a byproduct, but for us humans and other animals, it's the breath of life. In a world where we often take things for granted, it's worth pausing to appreciate this remarkable process. After all, without photosynthesis, life as we know it would cease to exist. So the next time you see a leafy green plant, remember, it's not just sitting there looking pretty. It's hard at work, performing one of the most important processes on Earth, photosynthesis.